let's go into this bright yellow. Okay, let's just put a bit here. Okay, so I've got some yellow on there, just dotted about. And we're gonna have some water, so that's why I'm doing sort of a... Okay, let's go into some Indian yellow. Hopefully you can see me loading up the brush. Okay, let's just put a bit of bright here. Just here and there. I think sort of softy. A soft sort of pattern today. It's a nice colour, that Indian yellow. It really is. It's kind of a warm yellow. Okay, I'm quite happy with that. Let's just put some ochre. Going into the ochre now. Using up all my palette already. Let's put this ochre about. Okay, so I'm just going into a bit of red here. We all know how strong this red is. So I'm just dotting a bit out here and there. Let's put a bit under there. I was giving him a bit of a tickle under there and you can hear it laugh. There we go. I'll try and get similar to the top. There we go. Okay, come on, let's do some blending. Some nice soft colours there, nice sort of mixture. I want sort of a purpley sort of colour, but not too dark, like lavendery. Okay, let's just see what these sort of clouds look like here. That's sort of the colour. These are sort of clouds that are very, very... I could have used a bigger brush, to be fair. I think I will. Otherwise I'll be there all day. Okay, yeah, there we go. So same brush as I've done all that with. Just loading up that colour. It's a nice colour actually. Let's just put some wispy clouds in. Let's have some over here. Let's just have a dance about with the brush and see what happens. Having a little dance, we're having a little dance. Now I'm going to try and sort of mirror that down here. And I'm just going to try and do a windmill. But obviously this is all the setting for the windmill. Look at them lovely clouds. I'm just doing this in kind of circular motions. There we go. Very gently, 2 hairs and some hair. Let's have him peeping over about there. So we could do like a little tree line there. I just want it in front of the sun as well, so I'm just, this is going to be like the horizon line with lots of little trees in the background. Maybe there's a few sticking up over there, mixing some nice colour. So I want that sort of pale sort of wood colour, so I might go with this and add some highlights on it. Okay, now let's decide. So okay, so I'm going to have it going like this. Just doing a rough shape to begin with. Let's just put some colour in there. Let's have it coming right down to about there. And I can put a base on it, okay. Now the top. Right, let's just think. Right, rough shape. It kind of looks like a mushroom. but it will look like a windmill soon, I promise. Okay. Okay. Right, okay, so that's the basic sort of shape. And we're going to go dark on this side, because I'll probably have a little bit of light over there. Okay. Let's just put a little bit of white across there. I want it sort of looking a bit rustic, you know. I've got some white and some... I'm just tapping that on. The paint sort of mixing a bit there. So this one will be for sale. Do let me know if you're interested and I'll stop right now. Right, now we've got to put some sails on, haven't we? So let's go into this. I've got some. I'm going to start with this dark stuff here, and then I'm going to put a little bottom on this windmill as well. Actually, I'll do that now because that'll probably give me the right perspective of the thing, if you know what I mean. I do want this quite whitish, so let's just see how this comes out. It's quite nice. Maybe there. Doesn't matter if it's got a little bit of brown in that side. Let's do it. Now, if that's down there, let's go. That looks about right to me. Okay, now I want to make this one a little bit. Right, that's a little bit thicker, that one. Then I want to do a line there. So I'm just using the palette knife, as you can see. I want to keep these the same sort of thickness if I can. Let's see if we can do them all like this. Whoa, shaky hand there. Shaky hand. I'll tell you what. I love it when a plan comes together. It's in my mind. From my mind to my hands, from my hands to the canvas. Okay, steady hand. Okay, we got one on. So this is just putting a bit of dark in so the other colours sort of show up against it. We'll go. Right, let's just put a bit of green in here and there. I'm looking forward to doing the raw reflections in this one. Now let's do the windmill reflections. So we want something like this. Okay, let's fill this in. Okay, now we've got the basic sort of shapes there. Now this is where the magic happens. Let's do it. So I'm just going to use the big brush and we're going to pull straight down, literally straight down. Again, all straight down. And then let's just pull that down a little bit more. And then this is the magic. We've got them instant water reflections. There you go.